Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So for today's video, we are reviewing a canister. And if you're interested, I'll put a link in my video description where you guys and girls can find this item. So I'm actually been looking forward to getting this and reviewing it because I don't know about you, but I'm a coffee drinker and I grind my own coffee most of the time. So I've been looking forward to getting this. Oh wow, that's nice. Getting it for our coffee grounds. So let's go ahead and slowly lift this lid off. So yeah, I can tell that it is airtight. So you got nice wood grain here. So this is a wooden sealer lid, which just simply slides down. Give it a little turn as you push it down in, and then you can hear it pop. So you know that it's airtight. So again, when you're putting on the lid, to make sure it seals, don't just push it straight down and let it go. You want to push it down and you want to turn it just a little bit to make sure that it's airtight. And then you'll get it airtight. If you just push it down and pull it up, you can get it airtight, but it's not guaranteed. So another feature about this is the fact that this can be used with chalk. So you can write on here and easily erase it with chalk. Now we don't have any chalk. It did not come with any chalk. So I'm going to have to order some so we can use it. But if you have chalk, you can simply write on here. So let's say sugar, coffee, or whatnot, and then you can just simply wipe it off and erase it, and you can write whatever else. So you can use this for multiple different things. That's pretty awesome. So another great thing about this is it's more healthier compared to the plastic or metal jars. It won't absorb odors or colors, nor will it be oxidized or rust. So that's definitely a plus for a coffee lover like me. So, like I say, for all things that you use, make sure you wash it first before you start using it. We went ahead and washed it a while. And then if you're putting something like coffee in it, make sure it's 100% dry before you put coffee in. So let's go ahead. So this is my coffee mixture. If you see some white in it, I add my own different flavoring inside. Oh, that smells delicious. Look at that. Still got plenty of room for more too. That's awesome. And go ahead, press, turn, and it's nice and sealed. So once we get chalk, we can write coffee. Nice and stylish. So my final thoughts are, I'll put a link in the video description where you guys can get this. My final thoughts are, it's nice, I like it, it seems to seal pretty good. I will update it in a couple months like I do if there's any issues. If it's still about the same score that I would give from when I first make the video, I probably won't do an update. But yeah, I like it. Overall, I think we can give it a 6.9 out of 10, which equals to about a 3.9, 3.8, 3.9 stars out of 5. Check out the link in my video description.